Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study in second-year engineering. Start by creating a realistic weekly plan that includes focused blocks, short breaks, and review sessions. Break subjects into 50-minute study sessions and use summarizing and teaching to reinforce concepts. Track progress with a simple checklist and adjust daily priorities based on upcoming labs, tests, or assignments. Keep the routine consistent for steady improvement and less stress. Use active learning to convert passive reading into mastery and confidence. Regularly solve past exams and practice problems under timed conditions to simulate test pressure. Teach concepts aloud to a peer or an imaginary audience to expose gaps and clarify thinking. After each chapter, create concise formula sheets and visual concept maps to condense information. Rotate subjects weekly to use spaced repetition and reinforce retention without cramming. Small time management tweaks yield big gains across the semester. Try Pomodoro cycles with 25-minute focus sessions and 5-minute breaks to maintain energy. Batch similar tasks like reading theory, solving problems, and reviewing notes to reduce context switching. Silence phone notifications and use simple website blockers during focus blocks to protect attention. Review your weekly achievements and reassign unused study time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.